Hey guesser, welcome to Guess Factory. How good are your eyes to find out the odd emoji? For this video, we have 18 quiz and 15-second time to guess. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Do you see which emoji is odd here? Time's up, the odd emoji is right here. How good are your eyes to detect the odd among them? If you got the odd emoji, make sure to like this video. Great job, you found out the odd emoji. Let's try to find out which emoji is odd among them. Time's up, this emoji is odd. Only the most observant people will be able to detect the odd among them. Time's up, this emoji is odd. If you got the odd emoji, please subscribe our channel. Your time is over now. This emoji is odd here. Try to find out the different emoji among them. Time's up, odd emoji is right here. How good are your eyes to find out the odd among them? Great job, you found out the odd emoji. Take a good look at the emojis and tell me which emoji is odd among them. Good job, it's right here. This emoji is odd here. Test your eye power by finding the odd among them. Well done, odd one is right here. Let's try to find out the odd. Well done, this one is odd. Good job, you found out the odd. Well done, you found it. This emoji is odd. Try to detect the odd among them. Time's up, odd emoji is right here. Well done, you got odd emojis. How good are your eyes to detect the odd among them? Well done, you got it. Last level, let's try to find out the odd hair. Time's up, well done, you got the odd emoji. Thanks for watching, it's time to share your points with us, and of course make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos.